Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2023 Chevrolet Tahoe. This Tahoe is featured in a white paint finish and is the premier trim. It includes features such as heated and vented front leather bucket seats, heated second row captain's chairs, and a power folding third row bench to make total seating for 7. Inside we have our Google Infotainment system with Google Maps, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a wireless charging pad. We have our dual pane panoramic sunroof, a heated steering wheel, forward collision alert with our low speed automatic braking, lane keep assist with departure warning, as well as a heads up display and much more. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, power mirrors, power windows, as well as our driver's seat memory with 2 memory settings, some storage, and our Bose speaker in the bottom of the door. Just to the left of the steering wheel, we have our electronic parking brake, lane keep assist, our front and rear park sensors, auto stop start, traction control, downhill assist, our 360-degree camera, heads-up display location, info, and brightness, transfer case settings, as well as our drive mode, and our exterior and interior lighting, power tilt telescopic steering column, as well as a power driver seat, finished in our jet black leather. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we have our display cluster. We can fully customize our display cluster, including our units and what is in each location. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, adaptive cruise settings, as well as our forward collision alert and heated steering wheel buttons. Right-hand side, we have voice recognition, hands-free, and the controls for our vehicle display cluster. We have our shifter just to the right of the steering wheel, as well as a push-to-start ignition. Moving to the middle, if we go into our audio, you can see we have AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, USB, podcast, and Google News. Have our home button in the bottom left. Also have our maps. You can see it's a Google Maps. Also a phone, our cameras for our full 360 surround view camera with front and rear adaptive guidelines. Google Assistant, our Google Play Store, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, trailer lights, climates, a Wi-Fi hotspot, our podcast, as well as Google News. Below, volume controls, seat controls, home, back, and our menu controls. Tri-zone climate control with our front independent. We can see we have auto and sync for our front, as well as our AC, front and rear defrost. You can turn our rear climate on and off at the bottom. Heated seat back and seat cushion, just the seat back or vented front seats for driver and passenger. USB-C, USB, as well as a 12-volt plug. Then we have a wireless charging pad, 2 cup holders with storage, center console in a leather finish, storage up top where we can also see our key, locks and unlocks, remote start, power tailgate, and our alarm system. Opening into the center console, you can see we have some deep storage with a vinyl finish in the bottom. Passenger seat is also our jet black leather, heated, vented, powered for the passenger. We have a fully digital mirror. Also have at the bottom of above the mirror, we have our OnStar buttons, slide, tilt, and our sunroof screen. We have our folding seats, as well as our power tailgate, our dome lighting on our open, dome lights on either side, 3 universal garage doors, then our dual pane panoramic sunroof. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving to our front tire and rim, we have our black alloy rim with our Chevrolet bow tie center cap. Moving out, we have chrome capped mirrors, our paint match with chrome accent door handles, as well as a black assist step, chrome roof rack sidebars. All the way around at the back of the vehicle, we have quad exhaust tips, our black Chevrolet bow tie, Tahoe and Premier badging in our chrome, power tailgate that we can open up with the press of a button in the bottom or through our key or the front of the vehicle. Back of the vehicle, we have a power folding 60/40 third row seating. Underneath, we have a storage space. You can see all of our folding controls on the passenger side. Also have a 120-volt plug. This is our second row seat fold, and then our power fold for the third row. Lastly, to close the vehicle, we have our power button on the left-hand side or a manual close on the right-hand side. Moving into the back of the vehicle, see we have a chrome finished door handle, power locks, as well as power window control, storage throughout, as well as our Bose speaker in the front. Inside the vehicle, storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat, 2 cup holders with some storage in the center. Behind it, we have our tri-zone climate control. You can turn it off, as well as control our temperature controls. Also have auto and our mode select. Heated seats in our second row, as well as USB-Cs for either of our passengers. And at the bottom, a 120 volt plug. Moving to our seats, we have twin captain's chairs finished in our jet black leather, and they are heated for the passengers. Have our release on our seat so we can move it forward or back, or fold it down if we push it twice. In the third row, we have a 60/40 power folding bench finished in our jet black leather as well. On either side, we have our storage space, as well as a USB-C, as well as our USB-C and storage on the other side. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2023 Chevrolet Tahoe. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.